Everybody, this is Kamla Ramesh. In this video, we are going to discuss about a model question paper related to English subject for 40 marks, orals and written 10 marks. So totally we have 50 marks for SA-1. Let's see the first question that is related to orals. So this question paper is for class 1, subject English. Let's see the oral questions. First main question. So first main question, look at the picture and classify the objects that sink in water and objects that float in water when put into a tub of water. So this carries 10 marks because here the child has to identify the picture and classify the objects that sink in water and float in water. So this activity is taken from page number 25 for 10 marks. So here you find some objects given here in the textbook. The child has to identify the objects and list out the objects that float in water and sink in water. So here the question is given 10 marks. Moving to the second question. Complete the following pair words. You can find 5 pair words here. The child has to answer it orally. Needle and dash thread. Needle and thread. Bat and ball. Socks and shoes. Shirt and trousers or pant. Bowl and spoon. So the marks allotted is here 10 marks. Next one. Complete the poem by saying it aloud with correct pronunciation and action. So this is 10 marks. We find this rhyme in a textbook. So you can find the rhyme here from the textbook. After a bath. So here the child has to recite the poem aloud with correct pronunciation, tone and stress with correct accent. Moving to the next question. Read the words with correct pronunciation. So this question carries 5 marks. Here we find 5 words. The child has to identify them and name them. Name the words. So this carries 5 marks. Next question. We are going to see how the child can count the objects in numbers. So this is for 5 marks. You can find the objects given down. The child has to count and give the numbers. So this question carries 5 marks. So these are the questions related to oral. So carrying 40 marks. So this is the first main question for 10 marks. Second question for 10 marks. The third question for 10 marks. Fourth question for 5 marks. And the sixth question for 5 marks. Let's have a glance once again. Now coming to the written question paper for 10 marks. Complete the following. Here you can find the capital letters and in small letters which are incomplete. The child is supposed to complete them. So this carries 4 marks. Next question for 5 marks. Match the sight words. So you can find the words on either sides. The child has to match them according to their rhyming words. Moving to the next one. Look at the pictures and identify what they express. The child has to write what the picture says. Happy, sad. So this carries 1 mark. So totally we have 10 marks for writing. Let's go through once again. So complete the following for 4 marks. Match the following 5 marks. And write their expressions. This is for 1 mark. So totally we have 10 marks for writing. Thank you friends.